Hello dear friends and welcome back to Carburetor channel. Are you looking to unlock your engine's hidden potential? Whether you are tuning for power, economy or just to flash back to stock, the Autotuner Flasher might be your new best friend. But is it worth it? Let's dive in. Today we are talking about the Autotuner Flasher, one of the most popular tools in the ECU tuning. What does it do? Why do tuners love it? And are there any downsides you should know about? Section 1. What is the Autotuner Flasher? The Autotuner Flasher is a professional ECU tuning tool that allows you to read, write and clone ECUs and TCUs via OBD, bench or boot mode. It supports a wide range of vehicles from daily drivers to high-performance machines. Section 2. Pros of the Autotuner Flasher. Let's talk about what makes the Autotuner Flasher a favorite among professionals. User-friendly interface. It is designed with simplicity in mind. The tool is ideal for both pros and advanced DIYers. Fast read and write speeds. Compared to many competitors, Autotuner is fast and in tuning, time is money. Wide vehicle coverage. It supports hundreds of ECUs and keeps expanding with regular updates. Online support and frequent updates. You get lifetime free support software update. And that means long-term value plus a great support team. What else can you ask for? Built-in checksum correction. No need of external tools, checksum is handled automatically during writing process. Data logging and DTC functions. This feature is absolutely helpful for diagnostics and fine-tuning the map. It is now time for the section 3 of today's video. Cons of the Autotuner Flasher. Of course, no tool is perfect. Here are a few small things to keep in mind. High initial cost. It's a premium tool. That's a fact, and the price reflects that. Might be overkill for hobbyists. Online-only operation. This tool requires a constant internet connection for most operations. Offline use is limited or close to useless. Checksum issue. We've already mentioned that checksum is a pro feature, and the checksum correction via OBD port working is great. It works as a charm, but we have to mention my biggest complaint with Autotuner, the dark side of the checksum. See, Autotuner reads ECUs differently than other tools. Via bench, or as some folks call it, on the table read. With one pass, you read the NR file or normal OBD file, and also a backup archive, which includes 3 or 4 files. That is remarkable, but it has some weak points as well. And the weak point is that for some of those archives, like for example MD1 CS006 that we had on one Dacia, the NR file is 4 megabytes, but the software that we are using for AdBlue modifications needs 8 megabyte file. When we checked more deeply, we found that in the archive files there is an 8 megabyte file inside. We thought, great, it will work, but if we modify it, then the tool does not fix the checksum for those archive files during writing. And from the other hand, those 8 megabyte files can't be written as an NR file because the NR file is half the size. And to fix this, you have to open a ticket. This is my biggest complaint. Please, Autotuner, find a way to fix the checksum for newer than EDC17 ECUs in the archive section, or maybe via web page or whatnot, like you do with EDC17 ECUs. It will be super dope for all of us who for ages scream about that. Section number 4. Final thoughts. So, is the Autotuner Flasher worth it? If you are a professional tuner or planning to grow your tuning business, absolutely. The speed, the support and the vehicle coverage make it one of the top tools on the market. But if you are a casual enthusiast, you might be better off with a more budget-friendly option. Something very, very important. If you buy Autotuner today and you leave it in the drawer for 5 years without using it, after 5 years you will get your money back. How? Well, easy, because Autotuner has free updates. Remember that. All other brands will charge you around $1,000 or $1,300 per year only for the updates. So for 5 years, Autotuner will pay itself even without working. That's the biggest plus, dear friends, and we have to boldly mention it a few times. Got some question about tuning tools? Drop them in the comments below. Also, if you are facing with problems like AdBlue, DPF, EGR, swirl flaps, do not hesitate to contact me on www.removeemo.com, my website where you can remove the limitations of your diesel car easily. I have file service that will help you with everyday work. And if you want more deep dives into tools like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Stay tuned and keep it fast, safe and smart. Peace.